Okay, here's one of those things you should never buy. You should never buy a hose with an aluminum fitting on. It will not work out well in the long run. And in this case, I'm gonna have to cut it off because it's welded itself onto the fitting here. In this case, I could take the fitting, I could turn the water off and unscrew this and probably wrench it off, but I'm just gonna cut it off. This hose is completely hosed and it needs to go. So instead of using a hacksaw like many people do, I'm gonna use a cut-off saw, battery powered wheel grinder with a cut-off disc. Alright, so you can see on the slice, I'm slicing through that, trying not to hit the threads. Could almost break that off there. I'm going to go a little deeper. You can see I kind of nicked this. This is probably not good. I'll have to be a little more careful there. But I'll finish it. All right. Actually loosened it up and it's going to come off. Look at that. Didn't even hit the threads. All I had to do is cut it enough to loosen it. It came right off. It was on, you can see all the corrosion on there. It was electrically welded good, and I could not get this off. Wrenched on it a few times. That's it. Peace out.
10 minutes later.
Put these bolts in, some threads so I could tap.